GPM, formerly known as Solder Asia, was a JVC with Solder Germany. We inherit German design expertise and extensive experience, continuously introducing innovative and customized products. To meet the rapidly changing market demands, all products must undergo repeated testing before launching. We are committed to improving production efficiency and product quality. Modular design of parts, highly interchangeable and replaceable. Product accuracy is fully inspected. The quality of each workstation is strictly controlled. Collision escape T-slot device to protect turret from crash impact. Conducting strict quality control. Providing global resource integration and solutions, offering comprehensive troubleshooting technical documentation, effectively reducing customer downtime losses. GPM delivers timely pre-sales and post-sales service to customers worldwide.